Yo, what's the deal, guys? It's your boy Simon Khalil. Thank you back for coming to another video and visiting my channel. I do appreciate y'all very much, as I like to say in every video. Today, what's in my tech bag, in my everyday carry? What do I use on a daily basis other than my standard gear videos when it comes to camera gear, so on and so forth. So this is my everyday carry tech edition. Check it out. I've done videos about what I use for wedding photography, what I use for portrait photography, what I use on my everyday carry, what's in my pockets. The one thing I haven't done is really what I have in my tech bag on a daily basis when I go out, when I'm working in other locations, when I'm, visiting somebody, or when simply going from job to job or location to location, working on a daily basis. So I figured, you know what? Today's the day. Let's make that goddamn video. First, let's start off with my laptop of choice. It is the MacBook 16-inch Pro M1 Max. Now, I got this probably when it was released a few months ago. This version is the, like I said, it's a 16-inch. I did spec it out just a little bit. Has 64 gigs of RAM, 2 terabytes of storage. Really should cover me for basically anything I need on a day-to-day basis. I'm not going to go too far into the details of the specs on this, even more specs on this, because you guys, there's plenty of YouTube videos out there. But I tell you one thing, damn sure this thing is a freaking monster. I've only had this for a few months, but I tell you one thing, this is probably one of the best laptops I've ever owned in my life. It's fast. It has cut my editing times almost in half when it comes to video and photo. So I cannot recommend this enough. Yeah, you're gonna spend some coin on it, but guess what? That coin is gonna come right back to you in booking more jobs, booking more things you can actually do to proceed with your business. So definitely one of my favorites. Now, I usually edit off of a memory card or a solid state hard drive. This is the SanDisk Extreme Pro. This is a 2 terabyte. I don't necessarily need all this memory for everything, but guess what? I'm just gonna have it just in case. This thing's an absolute monster and it's super fast. So next on to the camera I carry on a daily basis. This is in my bag at all times. This is what I use day to day, just because it's super versatile. It is definitely something that I keep on me. It's in the bag just in case shit. I can pull it out and get all the content that I need. So this is the A7 IV along with the Sigma 24-70 2.8. This bad boy is always in my bag. I always have this on me no matter what I'm doing. This is probably the best camera hybrid wise, both for photo and video. So this is on me 24/7. Let's move along to the mic, the Sony mic with the ridiculous name for it. I'll be honest with you, I don't know what the fuck it's called because it has a stupid name. But this is my mic of choice when I'm on the go. I always have this in my bag as well, and I'll drop links to all this below. But I actually really enjoy this mic, and guess what? No cables needed. It's powered right through the camera, and it does a damn good job at it too. Let's move on to the next thing. Now, I have chargers for my laptops, and I'm not gonna pull all that stuff up because it's obvious that I have that in there. But I do also carry a brick. This brick actually, I believe it's made by Anchor. This anchor brick has been a lifesaver. It has 2 USB ports and 2 USB-C ports, so I could charge everything from my camera to the GoPro to my iPad Pro. So this does everything I needed to do. That's why it's always in my bag. Now let's go back to the iPad Pro. My iPad Pro, I believe this is the Generation 3. Honestly, I still love it for light editing. I also have the Apple keyboard. This is the original one. I didn't splurge on the $300 fucking keyboard from Apple because, to be honest, I find it a little bit ridiculous, but that's my opinion. But from here, this is the iPad Pro with the Apple Pencil 2. Light editing, Lightroom edits, some other edits I've done for video, but I got an email last week that's saying Capture One is going to be released for the iPad Pro. I'm definitely jumping on that, simply because what I edit on the go are usually portraits. When it comes to weddings and such, or where I'm doing a high volume of editing, I don't necessarily use the iPad. I always go to my MacBook for that. So next on the list, GoPro. This is the GoPro Hero 9. I usually have it on me as well. The GoPro's Hero 9 is honestly, I love it. I never upgraded to the 10 because I wind up getting the Insta360 1X2. Now, the 1X2 actually is damaged, has water damage on it. That's why I don't have it in my showcase today. I am going to be sending it back to Insta360, and they're going to send me a new one. I might release a video on that, simply because the Insta360 camera, the 1X2, you have to really make sure that everything is sealed up before you go into the water. I thought I did. I'll be honest with you guys, I was wrong. So shit happens. I wound up going into a friend's pool with it, and water got in it, and yeah, it was not a good look. So thank you for warranties. I'll be getting a new one soon. Now, to power the stuff up, I do have extra batteries for the camera, just in case. I do have additional Sony batteries with me. I do have additional memory cards with me, and I also have additional dongles with me that, I'll just link below. You guys, you can't really get into it until you actually see them on the website, so I'll just drop all the links below. But for last but not least, my bag of choice that I use daily, SB backpack. Now, this thing, nothing special about it. Has a couple of these straps that I like to put on some Velcro, and it looks pretty cool. Has some Peter McKinnon Velcro right here. Has some pockets on the sides. Honestly, one of these pockets fits a tripod, a very slim tripod that I have, so it actually works beautifully. My 16-inch MacBook fits perfectly in here. Plenty of space. I have the front pocket over here, has padding on the bottom. So I know some of you guys are gonna kill me in the comments. How are you just leaving your camera in the bag like that? Guys, it's padded in here. I'm not an idiot. Some of these bags do have padding on it, especially some of the SB ones. They know it's made for skateboarding. It's made for the rough and tough days. So this is my camera bag of choice. Again, I will drop a link below for all this stuff that I have, but other than that, that's what I carry on my daily tech bag. Let me know what your tech looks like in the comments below. I'd love to know. Maybe there's a different bag that I need. You know what? Maybe there's a different mic. Maybe there's a different solid state drive that I need that may work better on the go. Shit, let me know in the comments. But other than that, guys, thank you for watching today. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tune in, hit that notification bell, so that way every time I drop a banger ass video, you guys are notified about it. Other than that, have a great day. Deuces. Kratos! Kratos, come here! Come here. Come here. Come up here. Ugh. Alright. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry I yelled at you. Alright. Get the hell out of here. Go. Go. You goofy bastard. Testing. Testing. Testing! Testing, testing, testing. 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 This is what I have to do, Didi, every time I have a new mic. Or haven't used the mic. I have to test these lav mics and shit. Yeah. I just do dumb shit to see how it looks at the end. Yeah. Or say dumb stuff. Blah 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 blah. Testing.